Let's talk about the national capital and the politics which is brewing after Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's statement yesterday. Coronavirus cases in the national capital are only on an upswing. In fact, in the last 24 hours, Delhi recorded about 990 COVID-19 cases. Delhi has recorded 50 deaths, the highest in a single day, out of which 13 are fresh deaths in 24 hours. Rest are the pending deaths which have been accumulated in the data. The death toll in the city has crossed 500 mark. Delhi government has also launched an app to provide information on preparedness of the hospitals and availability of the beds. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said yesterday, out of 20,000 cases, only 2,819 patients have been admitted to hospitals. Kejriwal also said 4,100 beds in Delhi are unoccupied. Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia assured that Delhi is well prepared to deal with the requirements of the citizens of the Delhi. He also made it clear city is in no condition to host patients from other states. However, this has got the BJP up in arms and has questioned the Kejriwal government's preparedness over the health facilities regarding the COVID-19.
और ये ऐप आपको ये जानकारी देगा कि दिल्ली के किस अस्पताल में, अगर आपको प्राइवेट में जाना तो इसमें सारे प्राइवेट अस्पतालों की जानकारी भी है, सरकारी अस्पताल में जाना चाहते हैं सरकारी अस्पताल की जानकारी भी है। ये ऐप आपको बताएगा कि दिल्ली के किस अस्पताल में इस वक्त कितने बेड खाली हैं, कितने बेड भरे हुए हैं। तो ये अगर ऐप डाउनलोड करते हैं तो आपको सारी जानकारी मिलती जाएगी। ये ऐप दिन में 2 बार इसको अपडेट करेंगे, सुबह 10 बजे और शाम को 6 बजे ये ऐप अपडेट किया जाएगा, तो आपको लेटेस्ट स्टेटस पता चलता रहेगा। एक तरफ सरकार ने आपके लिए बेड का इंतजाम कर रखा है, जैसे आज की डेट में 6,731 बेड हैं और दिल्ली के अस्पतालों में केवल 2,600 पेशेंट हैं, तो लगभग 4,100 बेड खाली पड़े हैं। 4,100 बेड आज खाली पड़े हैं। आज दिल्ली के अंदर 20,000 से ज़्यादा केस हो गए, लेकिन केवल 2,600 लोगों को अस्पताल में एडमिट होने की ज़रूरत पड़ी। आज की डेट में भी 6-7 हज़ार लोग अपने घरों के अंदर इलाज कर रहे हैं।
आज दिल्ली की तैयारी ये है कि दिल्ली के पॉपुलेशन जो दिल्ली में रहती है उनके लिए हमारी मेडिकल प्रिपेयर्डनेस पूरी है। मेरा आपसे ये सवाल है कि दिल्ली में अगर पेशेंट बढ़ेंगे तो उनके दिल्ली के पेशेंट कहाँ जाएंगे? अगर पूरे देश भर से, क्योंकि नेशनल कैपिटल है दिल्ली है, यहाँ की सुविधाएं अपने अलग तरीके की हैं। अब अगर यहाँ से 500 किलोमीटर से 1000 किलोमीटर दूर से भी पेशेंट्स यहाँ आएंगे तो फिर दिल्ली के लोगों को अगर कल हुआ, दिल्ली में रहने वाले को, वो हर एक राज्य से आके रह रहे हैं, कोई दिल्ली का कोई दिल्ली तो अपना कोई वो नहीं है। मतलब कश्मीर से लेकर कन्याकुमारी तक से लोग दिल्ली में आके रह रहे हैं। उनमें से कल आज सारे बेड भरवा दो आप, कल अगर दिल्ली के किसी नागरिक को कोरोना होता है तो उसको कहाँ लेके जाएंगे?
आपके पास क्योंकि प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट्स नहीं है, आपने अस्पतालों में बेड उपलब्ध नहीं कराए, आपने दिल्ली के लोगों को इस पूरे जो महासंक्रमण काल में किसी भी प्रकार की सुविधा नहीं दी, और आप ऊपर से टैक्स बढ़ाए जा रहे हैं, पैसा लिए जा रहे हैं, और उसके बाद आप कहते हैं कि हमारे पास सैलरी देने के लिए पैसा नहीं है। आज आप डॉक्टर्स का, कोविड वॉरियर्स का मनोबल तोड़ने में लगे हुए हैं, उनको ये कहकर कि आपको सैलरी।
So Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today launched the Delhi Corona app, which will give you a live status of the number of beds, ventilators and other facilities available in the national capital, in the various hospitals. What is this app? How does it work? And how can it be useful for you? My colleague Akshita Nandgopal brings you this entire explainer on the Delhi Corona app. Take a look.
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has announced the launch of his government's app. It's called the Delhi Corona app, essentially a one-stop destination for all the information that you need to know on the capital's fight against coronavirus. I've downloaded this app to get you a sense of what is the kind of information that is available on this portal. So it's called the Delhi Corona app, as I mentioned earlier. This is what the app looks like. And what you can see first off immediately is the information with regards to how many beds are available in Delhi, as well as as how many ventilators. So it's broken down into three categories. First is the total, which if you see here in COVID-19 beds, it says 6,731 total beds available, of which 2,819 are occupied. And then you have the number which is vacant, which is 3,912. Before I break down the information with regards to the ventilators, let me also show you what else it has on the beds itself. Interestingly, in the app, it's broken down into every single hospital. First, it lists for you the government hospitals and the number of beds available in these government hospitals. So you've got, of course, AIIMS Delhi, you've got AIIMS Jhajjar as well, Lok Nayak Hospital, as well as several others. Then, interestingly, you have all the private hospitals also listed. A big step towards transparency, also in ensuring that private hospitals frequently update the government on the number of beds that are available. The 302 ventilators are available in Delhi, of which 92 are occupied, which means 210 are vacant. Scroll further down on this app, you've got a message desk which has all the information that's being put out by the Chief Minister, his daily addresses, all of that is uploaded on the app. Besides that, if I click on, for example, more information here, first is the Delhi COVID updates. All the numbers, all the stats that you need to know on Delhi's fight against coronavirus is up here at this point. So here you've got the all India numbers. You can compare that to the numbers in Delhi. What's also interesting is it tells you how many tests have been conducted, and it's updated, or it seems, on a 24-hour basis, because it says here last updated on June 1st. It says how many tests have been conducted today in 24 hours versus how many tests have totally been conducted in the national capital. There's something called the Delhi Government Corona Helpline. If I click on this, it directly takes me to a WhatsApp message portal, and there I can put in any of my queries. I will immediately get an automated response and then more details of what exactly I want to know. Let me go back and show you. I just showed you what Delhi COVID updates is all about. Here's corona information. So this has all the information that you need to know in Delhi itself. So if you live in Delhi and want to know, whether your area is a hotspot, whether it's a containment zone, all of that is mentioned here. So in the containment zones itself, it takes me to a Google map that you see here. It breaks it down in the map itself, and all the red spots are containment zones. So very interesting here. You can zoom in and then you can find your area, see if it's a containment zone or not. And this is constantly updated as and when the Delhi government decides to choose what exactly to do. Going back to the app, so after containment zones, you have also awareness portals like Find Out If You Have COVID. This will list out the symptoms for you. Government orders. This is about shops opening, about anything really that you need to know about the government's decisions on coronavirus, or also on the lockdown, or at this stage, Unlock 1.2. Going back, here you have lockdown services. This is if you know someone who needs help, who is, poor, needs ration, any of that, they can apply directly in the app. So there's apply for ration feature, there's a find a hunger relief center, find a shelter, get an e-pass for mobility also can be done now on this app.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.